Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today's topic is common mistakes in subject-verb agreement. Being a teacher, I have observed students make many mistakes in their writings, particularly in subject-verb agreement. I have written 13 sentences. You will find a mistake in every sentence. So let me read for you, and after that I will tell you the reason for each mistake. First is the teacher along with the students are in the class. The boy who is holding my documents are very hardworking. The color of the walls are attractive. One of the pencils is missing from my bag. The number of people living in the streets have reduced. A lot of work have to be completed before we go. Either Hassan or Ubaid are to blame for the accident. The herd are grazing. The law and order situation in Pakistan are fully under control. Every boy and girl were rewarded. 4 quarters of oil were required to get the car running. The Burbs are a movie starring Tom Hanks. The jury was divided in their opinions. So here in every sentence there is a mistake. If you think that all sentences are correct or some of them are correct, so for your correction, let's go to study in detail. The first sentence is the teacher along with the students are in the class. So here are is the mistake. It should be the teacher along with the students is in the class. So for this there is a rule that words joined to a singular subject, here the teacher is a singular. Okay. Along with this, if there are words like along with this, along with, by with, as well as, including, in addition to, besides, accompanied by, together with. Okay. So we use as a singular, like the teacher along with the students are in the class. So along with the students is additional. We will not consider this one as a subject, but the subject will be the teacher. Similarly, there can be silver as well as gold has demand in the market. Okay. You can have another sentence like a boss accompanied by his subordinates was going to the market. So the second sentence is the boy who is holding my documents are very hardworking. So here mistake is with are. So the correct one is the boy who is holding my documents is very hard working. So don't get confused by the words that come between the subject and verb. They do not affect agreement. So the boy, agreement of the boy is directly with the verb. So who is holding my documents, that is the additional information. The color of the walls are attractive. Here it should be the color of the walls is attractive, because the prepositional phrases between the subject and verb. So the color is subject and are is verb here. So between them of the walls, it is the prepositional phrase. So whenever there is a prepositional phrase between subject and verb, it does not have any effect on subject verb agreement. For example, if we write the colors of the wall are attractive, then it will become are attractive. The colors, because the colors is the plural here, so it will take are. If you say the color of the walls, so of the walls, here it is the prepositional phrase, it will not have any effect on subject verb agreement. One of the pencil is missing from my bag. Most of the time students make mistakes here. One of my friends, so it means that I have many friends, one of them. Here same is here, so it should be one of the pencils is missing from my bag. It means there are so many pencils in my bag, but one of them is, so it is a rule that whenever you write one of, then the next one should be the plural. The number of people living in streets have reduced. The number, a number used as singular as well as plural. For example, a number of students are found there. So whenever you use a number of students, a number of people, so the next word should be, helping verb should be plural. But when you use the number, okay, so the number of people living in streets has reduced rather than have reduced. So keep this thing in your mind that whenever you write a number, it will be considered as plural and the number will be considered as singular. Our next sentence is, a lot of work have to be completed before we go. So a lot of work has to be completed before we go. When a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of, most of and some of refer to number, a plural verb is used. For example, a lot of people were present at the meeting, but if these expressions refer to an amount, the verb is in the singular number. A lot of work has to be completed before we go. So there is a rule that whenever we use words like a great deal of, plenty of, most of, so we use plural. But if it refers to amount, a particular amount, so we will consider that as a singular. Either Hassan or Ubaid are to blame for the accident. So the correct sentence is, either Hassan or Ubaid is to blame for the accident. If the subjects are both singular and are connected by the words or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, and not only but also the verb is singular and vice versa. Vice versa here it means, for example, either Hassan or Ubaid is to blame. For example, if you have plural, either students or teachers are to blame. Similarly, if you have first one singular, second one plural, either Hassan or students are to blame, because the helping verb will follow the nearest one. Okay, the nearest one is students here. Similarly, if the first one is plural, after or you want to use singular, like either students or Ubaid is to blame for the accident. Similarly, if you want to use either, neither, each one, anyone, everyone, everybody, anybody, nobody, somebody, someone, many, a, no one, must be followed by a singular verb, like each of these substances is found in England. Many a man was shot dead in a war. Next one is, the herd are grazing. It should be the herd is grazing, because all the collective nouns like herd, senate, class, crowd, etc. usually take a singular verb form. So here the herd is grazing, the correct one is. Similarly, the crowd is standing outside, the class is waiting. The law and order situation in Pakistan are fully under control. So it should be the law and order situation in Pakistan is fully under control. The verb is singular if the two subjects separated by and refer to the same person or thing, like bread and milk, rice and curry, bread and butter, law and order, power and influence, power and position, peace and prosperity. Like bread and butter is my favorite dish. The law and order situation in Pakistan is fully under control. Every boy and girl were rewarded. The correct is every boy and girl was rewarded. Why? Because there is a rule that if the words like each, every or no come before the subject, the verb is singular. No smoking and drinking is allowed. Every boy and a girl was rewarded. Remember, when not only but also is used to combine two subjects, the verb agrees with the subject close to it. For example, not only Raj but also his brothers were arrested. Not only they but also their sister was eating. 4 quarters of oil were required to get the car running. So the correct one is 4 quarters of oil was required to get the car running. This is the most important one. When a plural noun denotes period of time, amounts of money or quantities is considered as a single unit, singular verbs are used. Considered as a whole, the verb is generally singular, like foot, meter, score, dozen, million, rupees, month, one half, 2/3 of, a part of, a majority of. 20 kilometers is a long walk. 5 months is too long a time to wait. 2/3 of the mailing list has been sent. The verbs are a movie starring Tom Hanks. So it should be the verbs is a movie starring Tom Hanks. So from here we can understand all the titles of the books, movies, novels, or some subjects which end in S, like mathematics, classics, ethics, athletes, innings, gallows, economics, poetry, news, measles, news, mumps, electronics, tactics, physics, and so on are treated as singular and take a singular verb. Like the verbs is a movie starring Tom Hanks. Mathematics is very interesting subject. Okay, the last but not least, the jury was divided in their opinion. So it should be the jury were divided in their opinion. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is thought of as one whole. Plural verb when the individual of which it is composed are thought of. For example, audience means these words can be used as singular as well as plural. But if you consider them as one thought, as a whole, it will be singular. If you if you divide them into different thoughts, it will be considered as a plural. Audience, committee, company, council, army, police, society, board, cabinet, department, group, family, public, government, organization, team, club, crowd, minority, jury, class, and so on. So like the jury gave its verdict. So here it means they have given their verdict as a whole. Okay, but if you write the jury were divided in their opinion, for example, there are 5 members in the jury, so everyone has a different opinion. Similarly, another example is The committee is considering its decision, means now it is considering the whole one. And next sentence is the committee decided the matter without leaving their seats. Here in a committee, for example, there are 10 members. So, without leaving their seats, individually they decided their matter. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.